Hey guys, I'm sorry, I'm getting my palette out. So today is a long awaited look for me to film for you guys. This is the Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. So excited to play with this and show you guys what looks we can come up with. So I'm just going to give my brushes a good little spritz. As soon as I can find my brush cleaner. And then we are going to dig into this palette. I'm so excited. So excited. I did swatches with it, but I have not done anything on my eyes yet. So it's all new to all of us at the same time. But I tell you what, the swatches were absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. So we are going to get started here. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. And let's see what we can come up with. This is so gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm going to go into streaking, which is right here. And I'm going to put that all over my eyes. Because I have been filming and my eyes are a little discolored today. I've noticed that when I like to get the pigmentation in some of the more inexpensive palettes, I don't know what they do, but that stuff stains my eyes. Be days trying to get red out. Alright. So then we're going to go into Butt Naked, this color right there, and we're going to put that into our transition. Yes. Yeah. It's gorgeous. It just blends like a dream. Like a dream. I'm going to go ahead and put this color Bear that is a matte color, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. If I can, that's not going to work. No, that's not going to work either. Let's see if this works. I just want to pat it down. I'm going to go for something very light today with this. There's so many directions you could go, but today I just want to do something light and feminine and, you know, all of the above. So then I think I'm going to take this Topless color right there, and I'm going to put that on a shadow brush. Let's see if I need anything wet with it. I don't think I do. I don't think I do. I'm just putting it on my outer B. Let's see. Let's just test it and see if I do wet it, how much more pigmentation I get from it. I don't think I do. I think it's just a light shade. Oh, but look at what it does when you wet it. My God. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I almost want to put it all over. Sorry. I just love that shimmer. I mean, it looks like, oh, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. 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 Wow. Yes. So I think I'm going to go in and put this exposed color on my inner quarter of my eye. Let's see if I can do it with this. Just to lighten it up a little bit. Wow. I'm telling you, you don't even have to work at this thing. It just happens. This exposed colors. Probably... It's got bigger chunks of like glitter in it. So that's what you see flying around. Oh my god. Like, I'm in love. I'm in love. Shoot. Laura Lee, you got me. I may have to get the other palette. Alright, so then I'm going to go into this white here, Stark, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Put it on my brow bone. Sorry if you see a little bit of fallout. It's not from this, it's from what I was doing before. Sometimes when I'm filming, I just go, I wouldn't do this normally, but not if I'm gonna go out, but I'm just trying to even it out a little bit. Okay, let's put some mascara on and see what we think of this, and some lipstick. Camera may shut off, it's overheating. I know you're shocked. Shocked. Actually, you know what? I'll be right back. I'm going to put some lashes on. Okay, everybody, welcome back. I have finished my eyes, and I've got some lashes on and some lip gloss. I will zoom you in so you can see. This is the look I got. It's very subtle. There's so many ways you can go with this Laura Lee palette, but I just want to do something soft and subtle, and you know, let the pop be my eyeshadow, my eyelashes today. So this is the look. I put on the Buxom Sugar, I think it's a lip gloss, on my lips, and yeah, this is the look I came up with. So tell me what you think. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Mwah.